In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your collaboration settings to control who your employees can and cannot send messages and events to. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then choose Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Admin. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. You should now arrive at your employee sharing settings. Right now, employees are able to share messages and events both with each other and with managers. Maybe I only want employees communicating with managers, so I will uncheck Employees and hit Save. So now employees can still receive and respond to messages and events from managers, they just can't do that with each other. That's how you can control who your employees are able to send messages and events to in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to add notifications for employees and other managers.